Have you ever wondered why your Social Security claim takes so long to process? Well, the Social Security Administration has just announced two major professional changes that could help speed things up. These updates won't increase your monthly benefit, but they could make customer service faster and improve how your case is handled. Here, everything you need to know. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you are receive Social Security Retirement Benefit SSDI, SSI and you are waiting on a claim, this update is worth your attention. The Social Security Administration or SSA has introduced two important customer service improvements designed to reduce delay, improve communication, and make it easier for representative to track pending cases. Let's break down these changes step by step. Step 1. Why did SSA make these changes? According to the SSA, these updates are part of a broader effort to improve customer service. The agency say its goal are for speed up case processing, improve communication, make decision more consistent, reduce delay, providing better support for beneficiaries and representative. It's important to understand that these changes are operational. That means your eligibility rules and monthly benefit amount are not changing. Instead, SSA is changing how it manages work behind the skin. Step 2. Major change number 1. The biggest update is an internal recognition. Previously, different processing centers handled different types of social security work. Now, SSA has placed all 8 processing centers under one new organization called Central Processing. This new organization will oversee disability operation, international processing, earning management, workload support unit, field office support unit. By bringing these departments together, SSA hope to reduce confusion and make decisions more consistent across the country. Think of it like moving from several separate teams into one coordinated team that should help case move more efficiently. Step 3. Why this matters to you? If you are waiting for a disability decision, a retirement claim, an earning correction, payment adjustment, or other pending social security cases, this change could eventually reduce processing delay. Again, thus does not guarantee faster approval, but it gives SSA a more centralized system for managing workload. The goal is favor bottleneck and better coordinate between department. Step for major change number 2. The second update is the expansion of the representative call center, also known as the RCC. The center now act as single point of contact for representative handling social security cases. Instead of contacting different processing center individually, representative now call one number. SSA automatically route the call to the correct processing center based on the claimant information. Technician can assist with pending claim, attorney fees payment, case update, processing questions. This should make communication much easier for attorney advocates and other authorized representatives. Step 5. What should beneficiaries do? For most beneficiaries, nothing needs to change today. Your monthly Social Security payment continue as normal. However, SSA recommend creating a My Social Security online account. With an account, you can check your benefit information, visit your payment history, update personal information, access important Social Security service online. Using online services can often some time compared with calling or visiting an office. So here the bottom line. The Social Security Administration has announced two major operational improvement. First, all processing centers are now managed under one central processing organization to improve efficiency. Second, the representative call center has been expanded to simplify communication and help resolve pending case more quickly. These changes do not affect your benefit amount or eligibility, but they are intended to improve customer service and reduce processing delay over time. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification so you never miss this latest Social Security news and payment update. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.